Hello, this is Greg Hanowski of Techno LLC. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Email Trader feature within Money Machine Trader. Email Trader lets you automatically place trades from alert signals that arrive in your email inbox. There are many stock market analysis programs, TC2000, VectorVest, TradeStation, NinjaTrader, Trade Navigator, to name a few, that allow you to define a trigger condition and email you when it hits. What you're looking at here is a layout within software called TC2000. It is showing the Forex pair USD/SGD. The main pane here shows daily prices, and these two smaller ones show 1 hour and 1 week prices. What I've noticed after looking at many of these types of Forex charts is that they tend to cycle nicely within a range. You can see those cycles here in the weekly plot. So now I'd like to capitalize on those cycles, but I don't want to sit around staring at my computer for hours waiting for just the right moment to pull the trigger. It looks like this pair is at the bottom of a cycle and possibly ready to make a move back up. So I'm going to set up a condition alert to trigger when the hourly MACD line, shown here, crosses above its moving average. First, I'll create a new condition alert here in the Alert Console. In the Select a Condition field, I'll select MACD Cross Up Signal Line. I'll leave the default alert name, but set the time frame to hourly. I only want it to trigger once, so I'll check the Only Alert Me the First Time It Passes box. The alert will be stored in the Alert Console, so I can always restart it again later. Finally, I'll click the OK button. The alert now shows up in the Alert Console and begins running as shown in green. Now I go to Trader and select Email Trader from the Tools menu. You can see all the email alerts that have arrived in the past. These are stored so that it won't execute the same email twice. Let's click the Settings tab to set up a new alert signal. Click the New button to create an empty line at the bottom of the list. Enter the signal name and symbol that is coming from the other software. They need to be an exact match or it won't execute. Next, enter the action, buy or sell, that you want to take when the signal arrives. Enter the amount of shares, contracts, or money you want to invest in the trade and the Interactive Brokers account you want it to be placed in. Finally, click the Active box when you are sure everything is set up correctly. Then click the Apply button to save the new setting. Click the Start button to begin polling your email account every minute or so for new emails. When your email alert arrives, the order will be placed. You can also automatically manage the trade with stops and profit targets using settings in the Edit Preferences dialog. For example, I'm currently using a 0.5% trailing stop, so that order gets placed automatically along with the parent trade. Well, let's see how this trade would have turned out. If we go back to TC2000, you can see that the MACD trigger worked beautifully. We got in here about 9 p.m. on May 8th, and the 5% trailing stop took us out here on May 23rd for a nice gain. Well, that's all for this video for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy trading!